Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here early on this Tuesday morning. A cold front situated in eastern Nebraska. As of the time of this recording, it's pretty much about right here. So our Futurecast model's a little off right now, but this gives you a good indication of where our front is this morning. Ahead of it, southerly winds. Behind it, north and northwesterly winds, which will be strengthening as the day goes on. Skies are clearing up. Showers and isolated thunderstorms have moved to our east. There's going to be some rain that stays to our north. We will get some wraparound clouds across northern Nebraska, but farther south it's going to be another sun-filled day today. But look at the winds picking up today out of the northwest, 15 to 25 miles per hour, some gusts possibly approaching 35 miles per hour this afternoon. So a little on the windy side, but noticeably cooler out there today, and cooler the farther northwest that you go, especially under these clouds. It will still be pretty toasty in eastern Nebraska today, or at least somewhat, compared to other areas. We'll show you those temperatures in just a bit. Tonight, winds will gradually lighten up a little bit. They're still going to be somewhat breezy overnight. The clouds, they'll pass through part of the area and then they'll clear out later in the night and into tomorrow. But another thing that we're going to see come in tonight, smoky haze is back with that northerly wind returning. Canadian wildfire smoke moves back into our area later tonight and into tomorrow. Other than that, sunny, but again, smoky haze. Not as windy tomorrow. Winds might be a little bit breezy over eastern Nebraska here. And already back to a southerly wind out west where it will be a little bit warmer. But again, a little smoky haze, otherwise sunny skies, and it'll stay a little bit hazy Wednesday night into Thursday morning as the winds will start to shift back out of the east and then eventually out of the south on Thursday. That's going to help to heat us up and maybe begin to clear out the smoke just a little bit. The other thing I didn't even mention yet, the nights are going to be much cooler these next couple of nights, as you're going to see in just a bit. So look at the range and temperatures today. Under the clouds up north, 60s for highs, 70s, 80s, and some lower 90s in southeast Nebraska. Now, I'm a little iffy on this. It's just tough to tell. When you get such a wide range in temperatures, a couple of degrees, you could be a couple of degrees off easily with a forecast like this. So I'm going 82 in the Tri-Cities just to kind of play the balancing game here. But again, we could be anywhere from 78 to 84. It's just tough to say when you have a wide range in temperatures like we're going to have today. Tonight and into tomorrow morning, 40s and 50s for overnight lows. A chill in the air, especially to the west and northwest, up in the Sandhills. My goodness, that's a chill in the air. Not record low temperature worthy, but it's still a chill in the air. The other thing I'll mention, if it's not too smoky, it might not be a bad night to open up the windows and let some fresh air in. Highs tomorrow will be back in the upper 70s, low to mid 80s, a little more uniform across the area, not the wide range in highs. Now look at western Nebraska, though. A few spots could already be into the upper 80s, though, so we're starting to warm up a little bit there. But a nice night Wednesday night into Thursday morning, upper 40s and low to mid 50s. Then we start to see the heat build in a little bit more on Thursday, mid to upper 80s and low to mid 90s. Out west, already back into the mid 90s here in some spots here. So the heat trying to build in a little bit on Thursday and again on Friday, but then things will start to come back down the road. Let's take a look at the long-range forecast. As you see, temperatures are going to be heating back up here later in the week here for Thursday and for Friday, back closer to 90. There is a small chance of a shower thunderstorm late Thursday night. It's not a great chance, though. I don't think we'll see much out of that. Best chance would be towards northeast Nebraska. Saturday right now looks mostly dry during the day with a lot of sunshine, maybe a few clouds out there, and still back into the mid-80s. Boulder, Colorado, still looking pretty warm in the 80s as well. By the end of the game, could be into the upper 80s. There is a slight chance of a shower thunderstorm there in Boulder. That's almost a daily thing in the summertime, though, when you get into the early to mid-afternoon hours. So there's a slight chance of rain during the game, especially towards the second half of the game. Speaking of rain, finally, we may start to get some better chances of rain and thunderstorms returning to our area. As Saturday night progresses, the chance of rain will get better through the night, especially after midnight and into Sunday. This could be a more widespread event Sunday through Monday. So we're going with a decent chance of rain, isolated thunderstorms, and look at the cool down that's coming with it as well. So hopefully we pick up on some good rain. It should wrap up by the end of the day Monday, and it looks like then dry weather may follow that up for at least Tuesday and Wednesday before maybe a chance of rain Thursday. We'll see, but that's a long ways out. But the other thing, again, you'll see it here. Near average today and tomorrow, above average then for the end of the week through Saturday, and then the big cool down coming next week, and that does include Husker Harvest Days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. Could be some pretty nice pretty nice weather there in Hall County there for Husker Harvest Days next week. Maybe Thursday we'll watch the rain though. But again, down the road, could be some pretty good weather heading into the middle part of September, and of course, the rain would help if we could get it Sunday and Monday. There's a chance of that happening here. So let's take a look at the long-range models. This is the European model. Again, everything's going to stay to our north today. Our next chance is going to be Thursday night, so we'll move this up to Thursday night right there. In northeast Nebraska, north central Nebraska, probably the best chance, but I don't think it's going to be much. Tri-Cities on the edge of it. And then we look ahead to the weekend, Saturday night and into Sunday. The chances are looking much better by Sunday, Sunday night, and maybe even through Monday as well. That will then clear on out for a couple of days. Then maybe we'll look towards Wednesday night and a Thursday down the road for our next chance. That's a ways away, though. The GFS forecast model, some similarities, some differences. Again, everything stays to the north today. The next focus is going to be Thursday night right there. Thursday night into Friday morning. It's a small chance. Then it's dry for a couple of days. Then we look towards Saturday night. There, right there. Saturday night into Sunday morning. And then during the day, Sunday. Sunday night, Monday. Then that clears out Monday night. Quiet for a couple of days, Tuesday, Wednesday. Maybe more chances by Thursday. Let's hope. Let's hope. So that gives you an idea of what to expect here. And of course, the bigger cool down that's coming down the road as well. So again, cooling down a little bit today. We're going to heat up a little bit by the end of the week though. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Right there. Oh, my temperatures are trying to catch it. Let's back this up. All right, here we go. Cooler today. Warming up later in the week. Then cooling down next week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Much cooler air could arrive for several days in a row. That'll be some welcome relief, a little more fall-like air on the way down the road. Well, there you go. That's all I have for you for today. I want to thank you all for watching on this Tuesday morning. I'll see you all again on Wednesday with all the latest. Take care. God bless. Bye.